In this video, we'll take a look at the E-compass rotation shortcut method. E works very well for most applications. Let me draw that block shape again, this time using the E shortcut. So I'm going to start my Place Block tool. I need to start with a T rotation just to generate the bottom face of the box, and I'll accept that. Now I'm going to draw this front face. So I press E at the keyboard, rotates to the front orientation. Notice I'm not using dimensions here, I'm just simply placing data points. Now I'm going to find the extent of this, and that's not particularly obvious because I can't go to here directly because that doesn't help me at all. And there's no shortcut key which will lock me into that corner. However, there is a small trick to this. If I do go to this corner and find the snap point, and then press O at the keyboard to locate the compass there, then I can drag that up and place my face. So now let's place the end face. E at the keyboard, rotates nicely, snap to that. Back face, E at the keyboard, E at the keyboard, find that face. Let's do this face, E at the keyboard, picks up that. Do the top face, E at the keyboard. There's my face, and the bottom face is already in place with the compass, and there we go. So just using the E shortcut works exceptionally well. So try that for yourself and see how fast you can work with the E shortcut. Now I just want to emphasize again that it's very important for you to recognize that those blocks were drawn in the plane of AccuDraw's compass. In fact, unless you snap to an element that is off the compass drawing plane, the element you're drawing will always be restricted to the compass drawing plane. In itself, this is both good and bad. On one hand, you can be assured that an element will automatically be placed on the drawing plane, which is an important consideration when building up a design. On the other hand, if you're using AccuDraw to draw an element to a location off the compass plane, you'll have difficulty doing so unless you can snap to another element or use AccuDraw to offset to the desired location. When you draw in AccuDraw's drawing plane, you're essentially drawing in 2 dimensions, that is, in the compass X and Y axes. You'll have noted, of course, that the AccuDraw settings box contains the 3 X, Y, and Z dimensional inputs, and there's nothing to stop you from working with 3-dimensional inputs in AccuDraw. In fact, we'll take a look at this option in a later video. For the moment, however, experiment a little bit with that E shortcut.